Hi, everybody. Today we're going to be working with Everyday Math, Unit 6, Lesson 6-9, Day 2. So you're going to click the menu button, scroll down to All Lessons. We're going to click on Unit 6, and we're going to scroll down to Lesson 6-9, Day 2, Subtracting with Base 10 Blocks. And when we're going to click in the box here for lesson 6-9. And we're going to revisit the lesson from yesterday, which was solve the problem and revise. Use base 10 blocks to represent subtraction. We're subtracting, boys and girls. And you're just going to take a look at the problem from yesterday. One day, the bakers make 53 dinner rolls. They sell 38 of the rolls that day. How many rolls do they have left over? Solve the problem using base 10 blocks. So boys and girls, we did this yesterday. So I just want you to try it again and to check your answers to make sure that you have them correct. You're going to draw out the numbers in base 10 blocks, and you can use your number grid if you need to solve the answer. Then when you're done, you're going to arrow over, and you're going to draw up the picture again using your base 10 blocks and how you solve the problem. When you're done, you're going to arrow over, back out of this, and we're going to do math boxes today, boys and girls. And your math boxes today, you're only going to do numbers 1, 3, and 4. So boys and girls, it says, find a shape that has 4 sides on your pattern block template. Now, boys and girls, you do not have pattern block templates at your house. So what you can do is you can think of a shape that has 4 sides, and you're going to draw it. You can look in your house. You have plenty of things that have 4 sides. And then you're just going to draw them in the box. You're going to click on your pen, and you're going to draw in this box. Then you're going to arrow over. We're not doing number 2. You may do number 2 if you would like, but I'm going to skip over that right now. And we're going to go to number 3. And on number 3, boys and girls, it says, write each number in expanded form. And we know that expanded form means that we stretch out the number, boys and girls, okay? We take our number. So for example, the number 29, we want to stretch it out into expanded form, into place value. So I'm going to do number 1 with you, and I'm going to click on my pen, and I need to find out how many 10s, boys and girls, are in the number 29. That's right, there are 2 10s, and we know that if we count by 10s, 10, 20. Our first number is 20, but we're not done yet, boys and girls. We need to put our cubes. Plus, how many cubes, boys and girls, 1s, are in the number 29? That's right, there are 9. So my number, 20 plus 9 equals 29. That is my number in expanded form. Now I want you guys to go ahead, and I want you guys to practice doing number 53, 134, and 300. Then when you're done, you're going to click to the next page, and you're going to do number 4 for me. It says, what number do the base 10 blocks show? You're going to count. We have hundreds. We know these are flats and they're worth 100. And we have cubes at the side. You're going to count them, boys and girls, and you're going to write the number on the line shown here. Then if you would like, I want you to practice, use base 10 shorthand or the base 10 blocks e-tool to show the number another way. You're going to show it another way. And then when you're done, we're not doing number 5, so we're going to go back. And you're going to go into your home link, boys and girls, which are subtraction number stories. And boys and girls, you're going to work these problems out. I'm going to read them to you. It says, number 1 says, Sam is on a baseball team. This year, he set a goal of scoring 36 runs for his team. So his goal was he wanted to score 36. So far, Sam has scored 26 runs. How many more runs does Sam need to score in order to meet his goal? I'm going to set the first one up for you so that you know what to do. And boys and girls, in these problems, you're going to subtract, you're taking away. So Sam is on a baseball team. This year, he set a goal of scoring 36. So we know he wants to score 36. I'm going to put my minus sign. So far, Sam has scored 26. So we know that already he has scored 26 runs. We want to know how many more does he need to meet his goal. And you're going to work this problem out. You can use your number grid or you can draw it out for yourselves. And you're going to put your answer in the box. Then when you're done, you're going to hit the arrow button and go on to number 2. Sam helped his mother unload the dishwasher. As he was putting the silverware away, Sam counted 21 spoons and 13 forks. How many more spoons than forks did Sam unload? Again, I'm going to set up your problem, and we are subtracting, boys and girls. We are not adding. We want to know how many more spoons there are. So we know that there's 21 spoons and 13 forks. So we're going to minus our forks because we want to find out how many more spoons there are than forks. And we're going to put a question mark because we don't know the answer. And boys and girls, you're going to work out the problem and put your answer on the line. And as always, we always want to make sure that we put what we're talking about in a word problem. And today we're talking about spoons. So you're going to put your answer here and you're going to arrow over. And on number 3, you're just going to practice. Now, boys and girls, there are 3 numbers here. This is a 2-step problem. So what you're going to do is we're going to add the numbers. I'm going to do the first one with you. 17 plus 3 plus 8. So boys and girls, the way I would do this is I would start with the first 2 numbers. 17 plus 3. I'm going to put 17 in my brain and count up 3 more. 18, 19, 20. So then on the side here for myself, I'm going to write 20. But I'm not done yet, boys and girls. I've used my 17 and I've used my 3. But I still have to add 8 more. So I'm going to use my count up strategy and I'm going to add 8 to the number 20. So I'm going to use my fingers. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And I'm going to put my answer in the box. And my answer, boys and girls, is 28. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to do the same exact thing that I showed you for letter B. 13 plus 5 plus 7. Put your answer. Letter C and D you can do for practice. The only thing here that's different is it's adding 4 numbers. 11 plus 2 plus 9 plus 3 and your answer. And letter D, 8 plus 6 plus 12 plus 3. And you're going to put your answer. Boys and girls, you can use your number grids. You can use your fingers. You can draw it out. Whichever is easier for you, that's what you're going to do. Then when you're done, we're going to arrow back out of here. And then we're going to go into our menu, go to all lessons, go back into unit 6, lesson 6-9, day 2. And we're going to go into everyday math games online. And boys and girls, you're going to work today in grade 2. And you're going to work on facts workshop games. So we're going to click in here. I'm going to click the box. And I'm going to click start. This is working with your math facts, boys and girls. I'm going to click purple and hit play.
Welcome to the Facts Workshop. Are you ready to play? Look at the model or fact at the top of the workshop and click its match at the bottom of the workshop. Some levels like these ask you to choose one answer from 3 choices, while others include a keypad for you to enter your answer. There are 7 levels. Answer 10 problems correctly before moving on to the next level. Good luck!
So boys and girls, this is working with our math facts. And these are dominoes, and we use dominoes in school when we are adding and when we're doing our centers. So here on my domino, the first part of my domino, does my domino have any dots on this side, boys and girls? That's right, it doesn't. There's 0. So I know my first number is 0 plus, how many dots are on this side? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now down at the bottom here, we need to click on the box that shows what our domino is showing. So I wouldn't click in this box, boys and girls, because this box says 0 plus 5. And I don't have 5 dots in this box. I have 6. So that is not the right box. Our next math facts box is 1 plus 6 equals 7. Boys and girls, I don't have a 1 here, and I do have 6 here, but I do not have a 1 here. So that is not the right answer. Our third box, 0, 0, plus 6, 6 dots, equals 6. And I know that this is the correct math facts box.
Yes, that's correct.
Then we're going to do this one. 1 on this side, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to find the box that has the correct showing of what is on my domino. 6 plus 1 equals 7. That's not right, boys and girls. I don't have 6 dots here. 4 plus 1 equals 5. That might be correct. Let me just check this box. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Boys and girls, I don't have 6 here. I do have 4 here, but I don't have 6. Therefore, I know that 4 plus my 1 is 5. I'm going to click on that box. So you're going to keep playing, and then once you reach the 10 here, you get to go on to another level. So then when you're done, you're going to click X, end the game. And boys and girls, we are done with lesson 6-9, day 2 for today. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.